Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own bedazzled phone case. So first of all, I'd like to dress my eyebrows that are red. That is because I was doing a Fiona from Shrek look before this, and I didn't want to take all my makeup off. Also, I'm wearing blue contacts, so I look slightly crazy. But today, yes, we're going to be doing a bedazzled phone case. And so what I'm going to be working on is a phone case that I originally made for Christina for Christmas, but unfortunately misinterpreted the size of her phone, and so it was the wrong size. And my plan was to make it to give to her for the end of March when we were going to Disneyland. Obviously, we're not going to Disneyland, but I will be making the case and I will ship it to her instead. So you're only going to need a couple of different things. You need E6000, our very best friend. You need jewels, and then whatever like crazy things you want to put on top. I like to make a phrase in letter beads. I also like to go see what I can find button-wise at Joann's or Hobby Lobby or Michael's. So you can kind of just mix and match and make the type of phone case that you like. But I'm going to show you how I make mine, and hopefully you can make your very own. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my phone case, which I got on Amazon. These are only like $8.99, so they're really good, and they're clear so you can see the crystals really well. So this here is the original case, and I just ripped off the buttons that I had put on there, but I'm going to try to duplicate this pattern. So when you're first starting your phone case, you need to decide what your theme is and what your color scheme is. So for this one, I went with shades of pink, so I have light pink, hot pink, then also clear crystals, and I added in some pearls, because that's going with a bit of a Hello Kitty theme. So just go ahead and decide your theme, and then what you're going to do is you need to take all those different crystals and you need to divide them into piles. So I like to do it by color and then also by size, so that way I know exactly what I'm grabbing, and it makes it a lot easier for the actual bedazzling portion if you have everything already perfectly laid out for you, because if you're trying to lay everything out at the last second, it gets very annoying and difficult. So I'm just gonna put everything in its own little pile and make sure I know what each size is, because some sizes will look similar but actually they're very different, and then it might mess up your design. So now that we have everything sorted, you're gonna go ahead and grab your E6000, and normally I would just be slowly squeezing it out around the edge of the phone case, but I accidentally made mine explode from the bottom trying to unclog it. So I've already put a little bit on my phone case here, and then I'm gonna be slowly trying to coat it using a glue stick to probably help me. Go ahead and grab your tweezers, that's gonna be very helpful here. And then what I'm gonna do is just take the smaller crystals. I'm gonna go every other color of pink and the clear crystal, and I'm gonna outline the edge of the case. And I do this so that I can have a little bit more structure, but then on the inside, when I'm just kind of like freestyling with the crystals, I'm able to kind of do just what I feel, but I wanna make sure that it looks nice and neat and purposeful. So that way, when I outline the edge like this, and I suggest you do the same, I'm gonna have a much cleaner finished product when I'm done with the whole case. Alright, now that we have got the edge done, we're just gonna start to fill in with different colors and sizes. And honestly, this is just whatever you feel. So I always say that bedazzling is kind of more of just in the moment. I don't really have a plan when I'm going into it. I am referencing a little bit, what I did before, color scheme wise, of course, and I'm putting my glue on this in the most ridiculous way humanly possible. But I'm just gonna go in and kind of see, what colors look nice next to each other. If there's a space where I haven't put pink in a while, I'll add the pink. So it's really up to you, and whatever you kind of see in your mind's eye, it's gonna look good, and you don't need to also have every single space of it covered, and that's why I like to choose a clear case like this. But you can try to fill in the blanks with like the smaller sizes, so it's always good to have a you know, good varied number of sizes. I have the giant ones, I have the really super small ones, I have the medium ones, and then just kind of try to feel it out, and you'll get a great end product. And bada bing, bada boom, we got a bedazzled phone case. So now I'm just gonna add the cute buttons on top, and again, this can be whatever you feel, but you can buy these like little buttons at any of the craft stores, and they have a bunch of different themes, so I love to use that. And then I'll usually put some sort of wording on the front too, out of like letter beads. I think it always looks really cute on phone cases, so I'm putting Kiwi Quist, which is Christina's nickname, just so that it is fully personalized for her. And then I'm gonna put this cute little Hello Kitty at the bottom, and a couple of different sparkly hearts I found that I feel like go with the color scheme and are really cute. And we're done! Obviously, I had a few issues with my glue, but it's gonna need 24 hours to dry per usual, hashtag E6000, but turned out super cute. It's exactly what I had made before, but just made it the wrong size, so hopefully I can sell this to Christina, and she loves it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll be doing some more craft tutorials. I'm gonna try to do one styling video, one craft tutorial a week. I think that's a good way to do things. But let me know what you'd like to see me make next. You can let me know in the comment section down below. Other than that, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay sparkly. Bye-bye.